Hi, I'm Dave with Louët, and I'm in the Louët showroom in Holland, and we're talking with the Victoria today. I want to show you how the new flyer works, some of the features, how the sliders work, and the proper installation of them. All right, we're going to be talking about the new Louët flyer. This is the Scotch tension flyer, and we've added these little clips where you can put your yarn after you're finished spinning so that it doesn't all unravel and unwind. Purpose of the video, however, is these new sliders. First of all, the proper orientation is so that the loops face inwards, just like you see here. A lot of people, and then the ones on the other side, again, face inward. A lot of people are installing them backwards, like this, so that the loop is facing outwards and it ends up hitting the part of the wheel, whether it's Scotch tension or the similar kind of situation on the Irish tension. So this is the incorrect positioning. Second thing is we want, if you've got you need two on each side, on each arm for balance, and you want these two facing one direction, and then you flip it over and you put the other two on the other side. So we'll do it like this. Okay, so that's the proper orientation of your sliders on your new Louët flyer. Second thing I want to show is how to slide them. You really need to take a little, you push this way in order to create some slack to be able to slide them. If you just try to slide them like this, it'll work, but it is stiff. So you want to try to put a little counter pressure here. You can do with two hands, counter pressure and slide. And after a little bit of practice, you'll get used to doing this with one hand. So again, a little counter pressure and slide. And same thing on this one, counter pressure and slide. And I'm trying to do this so you can see. A little awkward to try to keep my hands in view with while we're doing this. So counter pressure and slide like that. Counter pressure and slide. Okay, so that's just a process to go through, and a little bit of practice, you'll get better at it. And keep in mind, again, there's two on each side and it's for balance, so they should be positioned that way with two on each side so that you have the correct balance. Hope that helped understand how these sliders work and save some frustration on installation.